Coming up on Since 1906.
Look back before COVID really hit and the pandemic was just top of mind. I remember sitting in your beautiful training room, and it was with Jason and Joe and the team, and we were just talking about this vision. And the vision was quite simple: is how can Hill & Marks provide a new level of service that was a different form of a solution. We started talking a little bit about how can Hill & Marks create a new brand, leverage your marketing team and the genius minds behind all of this to determine this new brand and identity that can be brought to the market for two things. One, to generate new customers and new business. Obviously, everybody always wants new business. But number two is, how do we create the lasting partnership and relationship with the current customers? So we found three primary pillars to the Institute. So pillar number one is consulting. We recognize that in order to find out what the true challenge is, we need to go to the facility and perform an assessment. The second pillar was educating. Ultimately, people matter. We were just talking about that. And if we can change the lives of the individuals performing the work, help them become more effective, confident, they're going to be empowered to make decisions. So let's get on the train and educate everybody. And then the third pillar for us is certification. We need to validate that the individual knows the information, they're truly leveraging that, and also certification of the actual company. And then there's obviously ways of delivering that and executing, but it's been powerful with the customers of yours that have really taken advantage of it so far.
All this and more on Since 1906.